We want to switch gears now and talk about immigration. This morning, the United States is taking a tougher approach to families entering this country illegally. Attorney General Jeff Sessions says parents and children will now be separated one from another. This is another attempt to reduce the flow of immigrants from Guatemala, Honduras, and El Salvador.
I have put in place a zero tolerance policy for illegal entry on our southwest border. If you cross the border unlawfully, then we will prosecute you. It's that simple.
The Attorney General said the policy will apply to everyone entering illegally or making false statements for a claim of asylum. So to break down exactly what this means, we've asked immigration attorney and SMU law professor Eric Cedillo to join us this morning to talk a little bit more about this. And Eric, what were you hearing here from Attorney General Jeff Sessions? Was he announcing anything new in this or just reinforcing what already exists?
Well, the only thing really new about this is that they've decided, the administration has decided that they're going to actually prosecute these claims. They have a huge amount of discretion on whether or not they're going to prosecute someone for crossing the border illegally. And that's where the differentiation comes in. A zero tolerance policy suggests that he's going to be prosecuting families included that cross entry without inspection. Will
this make a dent in the flow of immigration across our borders, though?
Not really. I think a lot of this is rhetoric. It's talking to the countries that you had mentioned earlier, Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador, telling them that they probably shouldn't come down because the potential for prosecution would exist. But again, requesting asylum at the border is not illegal. So it's a situation where as long as they don't enter without inspection, then these families should be okay.
And there was a lot made about the fact that the Attorney General said that the families and children will be separated. How concerning is that?
Well, it is concerning. If they're actually prosecuting families, parents, for bringing their children across the border, then that is of concern. But anytime a criminal context occurs, anytime they're going to take them into criminal custody, that's going to happen, regardless of whether or not it's in an immigration format or something else. So that's the difference.
All right. Eric Cedillo, a law professor there at SMU. Eric, thanks for coming in and helping us understand this a little further. We appreciate it.
Thank you.